This is an art integrated activity of class 9th NCERT textbook Beehive, lesson 10, Kathmandu. And under this heading, there is an activity given at the back of the lesson. It is a map activity in which the child has to locate different routes on India's map. This lesson is written by Vikram Seth and he has gone to travel China. Now he has to return from China to New Delhi. So, what's your name, beta?
My name is Redma Khatun and I am from class 9A, CM Rai School, Barkhedi School. And
Okay, what have you done here?
I do a map activity from China to Delhi.
Okay, which route have you chosen?
I chose Airways.
Airways. Okay, so Airways, if you have chosen, from where will you start your journey? कहाँ से अपनी journey start करेंगी आप?
I start my journey from China
Yes.
to Delhi.
Okay, so you will take your flight from China airport.
Yes, ma'am.
Directly. Okay, and from China you will directly land in New Delhi. Okay, will it be time consuming? क्या इसमें ज़्यादा समय लगेगा? No. Very good. तो कौन सी journey में ज़्यादा time लगता है?
By waterways.
By waterways. Very good. And can you tell, are there some other ways also?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन से हैं वो?
Railways, waterways, motorways,
Roadways.
roadways, etc.
Okay. Suppose if you would have chosen roadways, तो फिर आप कहाँ से आते? कैसे आते? अगर आपने roadways choose किया होता चाइना से दिल्ली आने के लिए, तो कैसे आते?
First I came to Kathmandu.
हाँ. First you will reach to.
Kathmandu.
Then, what's your name, beta?
My name is Alfred Ali and I am from class 9A, CM Rai High Secondary School, Barkhedi. I am presenting of India's map.
Okay.
I am going to China to get my home Delhi. So I am going first of Kathmandu. I am choosing railways.
I am going to Kathmandu and going to my house, Delhi. Okay, very good. So, how have you made this? Did you make it your own? आपने खुद बनाया इसे? I made it my own. Say? I made it my own.
I made it my own.
So, are there some other ways to return to Delhi from China?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the routes? How can you return? If there is no railway track, then how will you return to Delhi?
Airways.
By airways. Okay, and
By
waterways. Very good. Are there any roadways available to return to Delhi? Roadways are also available. Okay, so first you will come to Kathmandu, from China to. No, first you will return to Nepal, from Nepal to Bihar, or you can go to UP also, and from there you can go to New Delhi. Very good. That's all. Nice, wonderful. Let's give a big applause of hands. What's your name?
My name is Aisha Drish. I am a student of class 9A.
Okay, what are you showing through this map?
Neighboring countries and the
Railway route.
railway route to Kathmandu to Delhi. in
Nepal
India.
to?
Nepal to Delhi.
Nepal to Delhi. Okay, so if you have chosen rail route from Nepal to Delhi, from where your route will start, your journey will start.
I would choose railway track. Then I will go to Kathmandu.
Yes,
Then I will go to Uttar Pradesh.
yes.
Then I will go to Delhi.
Okay. Are there some other ways also to travel
Yeah,
apart from railways?
there are two more
Routes.
routes
Two
to
more.
come Delhi.
Yes, what are they?
First airways and second is sea route
And then roadways also.
and rail route also.
Can you travel via bus or car or your own motorcycle or
Yes,
cycle?
we
Very
can
good.
travel by our cars, cycles, motorcycles.
As well.
As well.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, which activity are you doing? What's your name?
My name is Anisha. I am doing an art integrated activity
Art integrated activity. Under which lesson?
of Kathmandu.
Of Kathmandu. Very good. So which activity are you showing?
I am showing a map activity
Map activity. Okay. So what you are showing different routes from
from Kathmandu to India.
Kathmandu to India. Okay. Now show which way you have chosen to return to India.
I will show the airways
You have chosen
Airways.
airways. Okay. So from where will you start your journey?
from Delhi.
No, Acha, you will come from Delhi to
Directly to
China.
Kathmandu.
Okay, Kathmandu. So, and are there some other ways also?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they?
There are railways.
Yes.
And we can also travel by cars and buses.
Cars and buses, railways. So, is there any way through water?
Yes, ma'am. There we can also travel from the water route.
Water route. So, how is it possible? Which river is there? Gangotri. Yeah, through Ganga. The river Ganga merges into this sea. So, you can choose the waterways also if you want to go from waterways. Okay, that's it. Here you can see this is a CM Rise school, which is a role model for all of us. And see, the students are participating in art integrated activities under English language. Children, are you really enjoying these activities? Yes, ma'am. That's great. Every day we will take 3 to 4 students activities. Okay, that's all.